Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE S70 and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to system, select reset options and then erase all data factory reset. Now in here you will find a message that basically performing this will remove everything from your device. So notable things that will remove are music, photos and user data. So if there's anything like that you would like to keep, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you'll lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you just don't want to, and select reset phone, and if you have some kind of protection on your device you will have to confirm it. If you don't, then you will automatically see this page right over here. So select erase everything and this will begin the process. Now this will take about a couple minutes, so just be patient, and once it's finished we'll then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.